What happens if the Advocate General of Meghalaya faces a conflict of interest? Automatically resigns, recusal from the case, disciplinary action by Governor, no specific provision exists.
Recusal from the case. Explanation. The correct course of action for the Advocate General of Meghalaya facing a conflict of interest is to recuse themselves from the case. This means they withdraw from the case to avoid any perceived or actual bias. This is a standard legal and ethical practice to ensure fairness and impartiality in legal proceedings. Why other options are less suitable? Automatically resigns. While a conflict of interest can sometimes lead to resignation, it's not an automatic requirement. Recusal is the more immediate and appropriate response in many situations. Disciplinary action by Governor. Disciplinary action might be considered if the conflict of interest is severe and results in unethical conduct, but it's a more serious measure than recusal and not the primary response. No specific provision exists. Legal and ethical standards generally mandate addressing conflicts of interest, making this answer incorrect.